welcome back to another video. And today we have for you something quite amazing. But before we do get started, let me just talk about this little piece on body right now. This is a 1993 printed on a vintage XL liquid blue tag. The art was made by the guy named Greg Greenwich. It is a zebra all over print. You got the boys just herding it out over here around their beautiful, prideful Queen Elizabeth in the middle. It is an all over print. They don't make shirts like this like they used to back in the day, which is amazing. But more on vintage shirts in a little bit, because we have something quite special for you guys today. Alright guys, as you can see, your boy just went out and bought what they open up in your local Goodwills, in your local thrift shops, in your local ukay-ukays, and that is what we call a BALE or a BULTO. Alright guys, now without further ado, let's go back in time to 2 days ago to when I got this BALE, and let's see just how I fucking did that. Alright guys, I might look like actual shit right now, but something has arrived and we're gonna go and see, baby. Alright guys, this just fucking arrived. Alright guys, let's mess this baby up. Alright guys, not gonna lie, this was a pain in the ass to open, but hey, we are almost there, baby. 2 more straps to go, and we're in this bitch. Let's get it! Alright ladies and gentlemen, here's how it's gonna go. We're gonna pick up the clothes here, we're gonna display them here. If we fuck with them, we're gonna move them into this salinated basin, and if we don't, we're gonna move them to the discard pile over here. The first shirt is an absolutely useless one. Nice. Alright guys, for the first find of the day, you got this. These nuts. Got it! Nuts. 2016. I don't know, it's like a meme shirt on a printed large. That's fucking hilarious. Alright guys, for the first find, we have this absolutely nice Adidas Essential tee. It's got that nice little print on a size XL. Then we have this Castaway trash hauling tee. It's on a jersey tag medium. It looks really small though. Here's a back print. The back print is pretty insane, guys. Not gonna lie, it's pretty crisp. We're at your disposal. Castaway trash hauling. Call your ex. They're about to get hauled, baby. And this one is nuts, guys. We have this printed on an all sport XL Summer Jam 2001 Utah's Beat, and on the back you have your motherfucking lineup: Snoop Dogg, Nate Dogg, Toya, all that good stuff, baby. Let's go. Let's continue this motherfucker. Alright guys, forgive my neighbors right now. They think it's a fucking karaoke day, but we do have this amazing The San Francisco Chronicle presents the 1993 Great San Francisco Bike Adventure shirt. You got all the sponsors on the back. That's hella dope. A 1994 piece. We dropping that in the pile. Up next, we have this Nevada basketball tee that's lightning pink like my fucking Relks. And you got the sponsors out back. That's pretty sick. Let's go into the pile too. And last but not the least, for this quickie, is this Star Trek Deep Space Nine 1995 vintage, printed on a Paramount Park tag in the pile, baby. Let's get it. Alright guys, gotta say we have found more fire. We have this little penguin ringer 3/4 tee. It's definitely vintage with that tag and that style, especially with a little penguin in the back print. Y'all know where it is, baby. Did you guys know penguins stay with their mate until they die? Hell yes, these guys don't belong to the streets. And up next we have this fully embroidered. God damn, guys, I hope you can see this. Dead stock Disney with the fucking tag. 2000s. Hell yeah, no backprint. For last, we have this weirdly made shirt. I think it's an art shirt. Feels like it's made by a 5-year-old, but it does have that tag, so we're definitely gonna have to do some research on this. But hell yeah. Alright guys, we just finished destroying this BALE out. We have the discard pile over here and the win pile over here. Hell yeah. Alright, welcome back guys to the current time, and now we have washed, cleaned, and sorted those clothes out, and now we have the most notable ones to show you guys. Alright, up first we have this vintage Washington DC Eagles on an American flag. Very, very western. It is printed on a Pro Delta XL, so that is definitely something for you big boys. It is a great crisp white t-shirt with no flaws and with the Eagles baby. I think A$AP Rocky wore something similar to this. Very, very western and American. I fuck with it. Up next, we have this. Oh, the 2001 vintage Disney World Mickey Mouse and the Gang tee, Walt Disney World 2000. I hope you guys can see the thread count, the embroidery. As for the words of your man Paul Cantu, this thing is fucking sexy. It is a size XL. It fits boxy. It fits oversized. So please head on over to Acid Drip to cop this amazing, amazing piece of clothing. Alright guys, up next we have this very, I think, new in and out t-shirt printed on a Hanes beefy large tag. You have the quality you can taste in and out California. You see where it began and where it is now. On the back print you have a very, very nice in and out classic. Doesn't get any better than this print on the back. Sick guys, sick shirt, size large, does look big, does look bossy. Y'all know what it is. And up next we have this Star Trek Deep Space Nine vintage white shirt printed on a Paramount Parks tag. It is a size large, I believe, and it has a copyright for the 1995 when this thing came out, I want to say. But yes, please do check this out. It is a sick piece with sick graphic, especially considering the fact that it was made in the 1990s. Up next is this Bob Marley tee, Soul Rebel. It is copyrighted to 2007, so it is not that vintage, but it is still a pretty old shirt printed on a Zion XL tag, oversized, boxy. Bob Marley, y'all know what he is, y'all know what he did. This is pretty sick. Are you guys ready? Alright, up next we have this vintage NBA caricature shirt, Utah East versus West, Salt Lake City. You have Michael Jordan, Larry Bird, and a lot more players on this caricatured shirt. This is pretty nutty. Unfortunately, the size is just a bit small on me. It is printed on a vintage XL tag, but it just fits like an L. So unfortunately, your boy will not be able to keep this, but you guys can definitely purchase this over at Acid Drip on Instagram. I will send you guys the links. I'll put the links in the description. It's probably on the screen right now. You guys let me know if you guys fit this 27.5 by 20 vintage NBA caricature shirt, because I unfortunately don't. Alright guys, up next on the chopping block is this vintage Coca-Cola, always at the top, always Coca-Cola tee. It is a 1994 piece. It is printed on a vintage Coke tag. It fits a size XL, definitely, maybe even bigger. But yeah, the back print just gets even crazier. You got a couple of your ice cubes just trying to get inside that little good Coke baby. The 1994 tag is here, as you guys can see, which is insane. Coke tee, pretty essential, pretty sick. A lot of people like this graphic. A lot of people fuck with this product. That's why they want to buy this shirt. Alright guys, up next on the chopping block we have this Summer Jam 2001 Utah's Best, Utah 1992 blank white shirt, but on the back you definitely have some notable artists like Snoop Dogg, Nate Dogg, Toya. This shirt is pretty sick. Unfortunately, it is printed on a vintage medium shirt. It does look a little bit on the bigger side. Will probably fit a boxy medium. Not my size. Would definitely keep if it was, but unfortunately, it is not. Alright, so up next, I just found this shirt really cool, especially with the lightning hot pink print Nevada basketball. It is pretty sick. It is an XL. You have sponsors on over at the back, as you can see. So just a sick, nice white shirt essential that you can wear anywhere. Y'all know what it is. Up next we have this Diamond and Supply t-shirt. I'm not so sure because it is a streetwear brand, but I'm not very familiar with this shirt. You do have this tag slash what thing over at the bottom. I'm not sure as to the origins of the shirt because the tag does look pretty new, but nonetheless still a sick shirt, a size large. If y'all need this, let me know. It's gonna be up on the fucking Instagram, baby. Alright, up next we have this large Planet Hollywood Las Vegas 1991, as you can see on the tag. A Planet Hollywood shirt, an essential, a vintage white boxy tee is what I meant by the essential. Up next for your vintage white shirts is this very old, very sick graphic from Patagonia. You have the front print with a car and the logo, and on the back you have pretty much the old English print. It is very sick. It looks like it was watercolored on there. The print is cracking, however, which gives it that fucking character that we are looking for in your vintage shirts. And this is printed on this weird tag. It is not, unfortunately, it's not the Patagonia tag. It looks like to be a bootleg or a vintage version of the brand, but nonetheless, very sick front graphic, very sick back graphic, printed on an XL tag, which will definitely fit you guys on the boxier side. So please do head over onto Acid Drip to scoop this nice little gray look. Alright guys, we're coming down to the last three shirts, but they will definitely not disappoint. Up first, we have this Super Bowl 27 World Champions Dallas Cowboys. Y'all know what it is. This is a shirt from 1993. Printed on an XL vintage tag. This thing is paper thin, but it is fucking crazy, insane. The print is still crisp. You guys don't see shirts being made like this nowadays. And it's fucking partner, baby. Another football shirt. This Las Vegas Super Bowl tee is absolutely nuts. It is printed on the Solar XL tag. The print is absolutely insane, especially for the lower part. Y'all see it. Two helmets crashing, the Cardinals, the Aggies, killing it, Utah versus Ball State. And on the back print, you guys have something crazy. You have this blue print on over at my right side and this red print over at my left side. They guys, they just don't make shirts like this like they used to, you know? So please, if y'all are interested in some football shirts, vintage football shirts, please head on over to Acid Drip to cop these amazing gems. And guys, last but not the least, we have my favorite find from the BALE, from the BULTO. After 3-4 rigorous hours of unboxing, cleaning, and washing all these shirts, this guy just came up. It is a vintage Batman shirt printed on an XL vintage tag. There's so many things I want to talk about this shirt, but I want to begin with this Batman print. It is a different material than the other print. It is felt or something like that. You can definitely feel it. I don't know if you guys can see it on cam, but yeah. And the fucking print itself, guys. You have Bruce Wayne looking like he's gonna strangle one of you guys out there with that fucking electric yellow print or that highlighter yellow print and that sick hits of purple, guys. I just want to say I would definitely keep this shirt like 200% if it was a size XXL. Unfortunately, it's just a size L, which does not fit me, but this print is insane and I am a big fan of Bruce Wayne. Alright, personally, I think Bruce Wayne can take down any hero, any villain given an hour prep time. Drop down the comment section below if you guys disagree or agree, but please let me know. And please follow Acid Drip to catch this grail put up for sale this coming weekend, baby. Guys, not gonna lie, I think that's gonna be the motherfucking video. Please make sure to check me out at Instagram at Love City. Don't forget to check out the store at Instagram at Acid Drip. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Cheers.